So here we have some wonderful beef with some lime wedges, red bell peppers, fresh sweet corn. I've seasoned it with Atlantic fine sea salt, organic black ground pepper, organic ground cayenne pepper, organic cumin, and organic coriander. We're going to fill this up with water, cook it low and slow. Okay, we added a little bit of water because this will help break down the meat and create a nice stew-like texture. And then we'll pop this in the oven. Alright, that turned out quite wonderful. The Worcestershire sauce also is in there.
Hello.
And it gives it a nice aroma. Mashallah. Okay, here's what it looks like plated. We served it with a side of sweet potatoes. Yummy. You could also serve it with rice as well if you wanted.